Hi there, another one. This is another Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilting box. So let me get this opened up. Sweet as cherry pie, September 2018. So let's get into this. Let me see. There is a promo code again. What a sweet deal. You get 30% off double wide Dresden and the ruler and oh, that is super cute. Free mini Dresden keychain. So if you got this, then you could use that. It offer expires November 5th, which is like today or already gone. I don't know. I'm super behind. So here's what this is the stuff that shows what we got. So I'll refer to that later. Okay, we're gonna get right into the fabric, I guess. So this is from Me and My Sister Designs. Get the plastic off so it's easier to see. This is super cute. Love it. Okay, so it's from Me and My Sister Design. It's called Bada Bing. Super cute. Cherries. So it looks like, yeah, so it looks like there's some pre-cut. I don't think it's a layer cake because it's too small. And then there's like plaid or gingham checkered sorry I don't have words today. This is like my third or fourth video today. So anyway, checkered red and white and white background. So I'm sure it has something to do with our let's see. So Bada Bing Charm Pack, it includes 42 5-inch squares. So I really like that. Super cute. And that retails for $9.98. It also includes the Cherry Pickin finishing kit, which retails for $12.37, and it's included this month. So we get 1 yard Bella solids. So that's this one in number 9900-98, and a red gingham, half a yard of that. So that is, I like that it's all done. And another rotary cutter, 28mm stick rotary cutter. I love getting rotary cutters. This is retailing for $9.98. This is a double wide 4-patch Dresden template from Me and template thick, and it's from Me and My Sister Designs. So I'm assuming we're making a Dresden plate, and that retails for $9.98. And here is the pattern. So this is Cherry Pickin. I love this and how it makes a little star in the middle. Cherry Pickin from Me and My Sister Designs. I really want to try this. So it looks really easy, and you just use the ruler to pick out what you want. So I like that. Really like that. And we can make it in, the quilt is 14.5 by 42.5. So super cute, and I love the colors, so I definitely will be making this. Thank you. And this is the barn block recipe number 6, and this is cute. Very cute. Okay, and that is it. Sorry, the Cherry Picking retails for $9.98, and the barn block recipe retails for $4.98. And that's it. I will put all the information below. And there's also, if I want to order more things from this box, I get a 15% off all box items, and I might do that. I might add maybe more things. I'm not sure, but that is what I'll do. Okay, thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.